Hi, good evening, everyone. I'm going to be doing a quick training of more or less your back office. So, and when you sign in, mydailychoice.com login, you put your password, right? Your username and your password, and you sign it. Right here, you have your basics. On the first page, you'll be having My Daily Choice, Las Vegas, any event that's important. The event that we're going to be doing is October 3rd to October the 5th, 2019. And you could get your tickets here. You just click there and you go and you fill out the information and you buy your tickets. This is what we're going to be doing the first day, second day, third day. The hotel information and how you could book and save. Okay. Then we go to actually home. We'll bring you to this area. I want you to go to settings. This is very important when you're building. When you're building, you want to scroll down to rotator. You do want to change, and as a rotator, you want to put alternative legs. Why? Because, like it says here, you want to place 2 on your right and then 2 on your left. By placing the allocator on alternate, every other personal enrolled user will be placed at the bottom of your right leg, and every other personal enrolled user will be placed at the bottom of your left leg. For example, okay, that's what we want, alternate legs. The next thing that you want to do is make sure that you have your auto ship active. So you're going to change, and the minimum that you should do if you're an executive, you need to do 100 points. You could do a combination of, but the best buy would be this one, the Spray Director 100 points, because you get eight sprays. So you want to create your auto ship there. Okay, this is just my practice account. So after you do the auto ship, you want to make sure you also go to your, however you want to get paid. You want it in your payment options. Select your payment options. You could get paid by a prepaid debit MasterCard. You could get paid by direct deposit directly to your bank account, or you could get paid by Bitcoin. Okay, that's very important in that area and settings, that you have to have that information up to date. I want you to go to dashboard. In dashboard, you have PV. PV is personal volume. That personal volume, you actually get it when you go to shop directly. And if you give anyone the retail, My Daily Choice retail, when you purchase the sprays at a regular price, all those points go to PV. You want to be active, and this person did not make no purchase. So you also want to have a rank there. Okay. Here, whenever somebody enrolls as an affiliate or a customer, your numbers show there. Anybody goes into your page, your landing pages as a pre-enrollee, this is where your numbers will be. When somebody signs up as an affiliate or a customer, it would show here. Also, anybody that you signed up, any affiliate that signed up, it has auto ship, it will give you your numbers here. Okay. This is where your earnings are, where you get paid. It will show up in this area right here. In personal value, it's anybody that you sign up underneath you would impact that area. Your jumpstart, anybody that you signed up, anybody that you sold to from the first purchase would impact this area. Your binary points is anybody that reorders. Your carryover would be anything of your binary, which if you're not binary qualified, will carry over to the next month. And then your total tree. When you have points here and you want to know how many points you need to be 5K, you hit view rank details. And it's going to give you what you need for your next rank. Okay?